This is actually an incredible story. Okay, so it goes like whatever that we want to achieve or whatever that we set our minds on, we will be able to do it. So, as humans, if we give excuses and if we don't want to do something, then we will go ahead and make excuses and stuff like that. So I did a video about cable theft and stuff like that. So you see this particular electrical project or this finished room that I'm showing you today. This the Keep Coast project that I did a video on. The cables were stolen and stuff like that, but today a part of it is done, and it is very impressive. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a review about this. Okay, so I have here this remote for this ceiling fan. Okay, so there's a 120 volt, 110 volts ceiling fan. Okay, and so this particular room is a combination of 220 volts and 110 volts. I have a couple of 110 volt stuff here and also 220 volt stuff here. Okay, so this particular fan here is 110 volts and this here in the washroom, this extractor fan. Okay, this is also 110 volts. Okay, and there will be another ceiling fan here, and that will also be a 110 volt ceiling fan. Okay, and then here in the kitchen I have this couple of LED spotlights that is 220 volts on the 220 volts electrical system. Okay, and then this refrigerator here is a 220 volts. Okay, so there's a 110 volts receptacle. Those are 220 socket outlets right there. Okay, so and of course the air conditioner is 220 volts, and also I have a couple of socket outlets. These are 220 volts. Then I have this this 110 volts receptacle right here. So these are very impressive. I'm actually impressed with the finishing of this project. Actually, it's not the entire project that is done, but with this progress, with cables being stolen and setbacks, we are able to actually complete at least 2 bedrooms, yeah, out of the 5 bedrooms. So this is very impressive, and this also to encourage you that when you want to build or when you want to embark on an electrical project, you need to seek for the advice or for the services of people who really know what they are doing. Okay, so actually this particular electrical project, many of our wires were pulled off, many of our cables or wires were pulled off, but we were able to actually redone them or rewire them, and today this beautiful thing I'm showing you here is as a result of experience, knowledge, and also creativity. So without creativity, you wouldn't be able to do this. Okay, so this is a 110 volt system. It's not something that we are familiar with. In Ghana, our electrical system is different from that of US, but we are right here in Ghana. We've been able to fix or install this extractor fan in the washroom. That is a 120 volts extractor fan, and also this particular ceiling fan that is also 120 volts. Okay, so This a very quick advertisement. Okay, so if we are looking for an electrician that is not just an electrician, a licensed professional, so you are looking for a CEWP, that is certified electrical wiring professional, just look out for multi-skilled electrician and his team, and they will do a very good job for you. And